Welcome to Pain Relief Academy. Today, we're going to share one of the most trusted natural pain relief methods from Dr. Emily Harper, a certified natural health practitioner with over 20 years of experience helping seniors across the United States manage chronic pain from the comfort of their home. If you're struggling with joint pain, back pain, neck stiffness, or general muscle tension, and you want a natural, safe, and easy solution you can do daily at home, then this video is perfect for you. Even if you've tried medications or therapy in the past and didn't get lasting relief, Dr. Emily's gentle approach could change the way you feel every day. Why seniors experience chronic pain? As we age, our bodies go through several changes that can make pain more common. Reduced physical activity, our muscles, joints, and connective tissues become weaker and less flexible. Drying of joint lubrication. The fluid that helps your joints move smoothly decreases, causing friction and stiffness. Inflammation buildup. Chronic inflammation can accumulate over time, leading to ongoing discomfort in your back, knees, shoulders, and neck. These factors can make even simple movements uncomfortable. But here's the encouraging news. Gentle movement, warmth therapy, and controlled breathing can go a long way in easing pain naturally. Dr. Emily's method is specifically designed to target these issues without medications, without expensive equipment, and without leaving your home. Dr. Emily's warm flow method, main technique. This is one of the simplest routines seniors can do at home, and it only takes about 10 to 15 minutes a day. It has 3 main steps: warm activation, gentle flow movements, and deep, relax breathing. The best part? You can adjust each step to your comfort level. Step 1. Warm activation. Start by applying warmth to the pain area. You can use a warm towel, heating pad, or even a warm shower for 1 to 2 minutes. The warmth relaxes tight muscles. It increases blood flow, which brings more oxygen and nutrients to your joints. It prepares your body for movement, making exercises easier and safer. You can use this technique on any area that feels stiff: your back, knees, shoulders, or neck. If you want, Dr. Emily suggests combining this with light massage. Gently rub the area in circular motions to increase circulation even more. Step 2. Gentle flow movements. After warming up, move into gentle exercises. These movements are slow, safe, and designed for older adults. 1. Shoulder rolls. Slowly roll your shoulders backward 10 times. Then forward 10 times. Focus on feeling tension release across your upper back and neck. 2. Spine wave stretch. Sit or stand tall. Slowly round your back forward, then lift your chest and arch slightly backward. Repeat 5 to 8 times. This encourages spinal mobility and reduces tension in your lower back. 3. Knee circles. Hold a chair for support. Rotate each knee in slow circles 5 to 10 times in each direction. This helps lubricate the knee joints and reduces stiffness. 4. Ankle pumps. While seated, point your toes forward, then flex backward. Repeat 10 to 15 times per foot. This improves blood flow in your legs and helps prevent swelling. 5. Optional gentle variations. Arm stretches. Lift arms overhead and slowly side to side. Neck rotations. Gently turn your head left and right, keeping shoulders relaxed. Remember, the goal is gentle movement, not pushing through pain. Step 3. Deep, relax breathing. Once your muscles are warmed and joints are moving, take 2 to 3 minutes for deep, relaxed breathing. Breathe in through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 6 seconds. This helps reduce inflammation, calm the nervous system, and lower stress and tension. Many seniors notice that even this breathing step alone reduces 20 to 30% of their discomfort. Pairing it with warm activation and gentle movement multiplies the benefits. Common results people experience. After practicing this routine consistently, seniors report reduced stiffness in the morning and throughout the day, less back, shoulder, and knee pain, improved mobility for everyday tasks like walking, bending, or reaching, better sleep, and higher energy levels. The best part is that all of this happens naturally, without medications, injections, or expensive therapy sessions. Safety tips. Here are some important precautions to keep your routine safe. Move slowly and gently. Avoid any motion that causes sharp or severe pain. Keep a chair or wall nearby for balance. If you have severe arthritis, recent surgery, or other serious medical conditions, consult your doctor before starting. Remember, gentle movement is safe for most adults, but listening to your body is the key. Closing. Pain relief doesn't have to be complicated. A little warmth, a few gentle movements, and mindful breathing each day can make a huge difference. Thousands of seniors across the U.S. use Dr. Emily Harper's warm flow method to enjoy more comfort, mobility, and independence. And the good news? You can start at home today. If you want more natural pain relief techniques, senior-friendly exercises, and